Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to update your delivery zone on Skip the dishes, then this video is for you. So when you sign in, become a courier on the Skip network, then you can choose where you want to deliver by selecting your preferred delivery zone. Zones are areas with a city with a cluster of restaurants or vendors and customers to keep you busy. So to get matched with offers, you must start your shift in the delivery zone. Delivery zones don't follow conventional neighborhood boundaries, so check your map in the courier app to familiarize yourself with your zone. Now let's talk about how you can add or remove a zone. So you can remove your previous delivery zone and you can add another one. For that, your zones and any other available zones will appear in the update delivery zone screen found within your app. So when you are on your courier app, then go to the availability tab on the scheduling screen in the courier app. Then tap on the settings icon in the top right corner and select update delivery zones. Then tap on an available zone to select it, or tap on a highlighted zone to remove it. Then save the settings and you are good to go. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.